or latch. Hello everyone, it's Regina again, and as you learn the difference, today we are focusing on two simple words: lash, latch. Lash, latch. Now, the female folk fix their lash. The lash. So, lash, lashes, not latches. I hear that now and then. It's not latches, it's lashes. 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 But latches is latches. A latch is a key, something that fastens or causes something to lock. You have a latch on a bag, on a handbag, on a female purse, any purse, a door, a store. Latch, something that you use to lock. It's different from lash, the hair. Okay, protecting the eyes. Lash, latch. So if you add es, you get lashes. If you add es to this word, you get latches. So lashes, latches. So female folk, please. The eye has lashes, not latches. So we fix lashes, not latches. All right. For the last time, lash, lashes, latch, latches. All right. So she's cheese. All right. I do hope you got that difference. See you again next week. Bye bye. That's all for now, folks. See you next Monday.